Japanese candlesticks, also known as Japanese candles, are a popular technical analysis tool used by traders to visualize price movement on a chart. They provide a simple and intuitive way to understand the evolution of an asset over a given period, usually a day, a week, or a month. And here is the anatomy of a Japanese candlestick. 1. The body. The body of the candlestick is the most important part, thicker, and indicates the price range between the opening and closing of the period. If the closing price is higher than the opening price, the body of the candlestick is usually green, blue, or white. If the closing price is lower than the opening price, the body of the candlestick is usually red or black. 2. The wick. The wick, also called the shadow, are fine lines that extend above or below the body of the candlestick. It indicates the highest and lowest price value during the period. The upper wick represents the highest price value reached during the period. The lower wick represents the lowest price value reached during the period. How to interpret the Japanese candlestick? The combination of the body color and wick length provides valuable information about buying and selling pressure, potential trend reversals, and market volatility. So, if we see a long candlestick, it indicates high volatility and significant buying or selling pressure. When we see a short candlestick, it indicates low volatility and market indecision. A long wick indicates a strong rejection of the price at a certain level by buyers or sellers. A short wick indicates a weak rejection of the price at a certain level by buyers or the seller. In addition to bullish and bearish candles, there are several Japanese candlestick patterns that help identify potentially significant market configurations. You can easily customize the charts to display the Japanese candlesticks of your choice and combine them with other technical indicators to refine your analyses. Conclusion: the Japanese candlestick, as a valuable tool for traders of all levels, allows you to improve your understanding of price movements, identify potential trading opportunities, and make informed decisions by learning to interpret them. Remember that the Japanese candlestick should not be used as the sole indicator for making trading decisions, but rather as one tool among others in your toolbox of technical analysis. And this time, I will invite you to MetaTrader 5 to see, understanding the candles, how to change their color or shape on MetaTrader 5. Let's see on my computer. And here we have our candles. In the time frame section, you will see that a candle represents the given period. We have developed it here. We will specifically talk about candles. This is the candle, and there are different types of candles. Now let's first start by changing the color. As we said, right-click on the charts and go to Properties. Here in Colors, you can see we have several options to change the color. As I mentioned, the bullish candle is often white, the bearish one is often red, or like color on white. The bullish candle is often green and the bearish candle is red, but I prefer to set the bullish candle to blue and the bearish candle to red. There, in my opinion, is a personal preference. It has nothing to do with profitability. Everyone is free to choose the color they want. And also, to improve, I come here to show. I don't like to activate the grid and then remove the tick volumes. This way, I have my candles configured. So, there is also a whole science behind these candles. You can study these shapes. You will certainly find for free on the internet the part where you can see the candlestick shapes, how to identify a reversal using the candles. But I won't dwell on that, because you will see, the strategy does not rely too much on candlestick reading. So, this is the shape of the candle. So, you can change it here, for example, according to your preferences for the candlestick shapes, or here. There are more candles. It's a whole line of price evolution. But many traders, myself included, prefer to use Japanese candles. So, if one candle here represents 1 hour, you can go down to M1 to see the candlestick reading. We have seen full candles with no wicks, with long wicks like this, and so on. For this part, I believe I will stop here to move on to the next video. Ciao.